I'm going to now talk about the tapered gauge spring-loaded with dial that we are using. So this is a typical example of a part with a tapered bore, and this type of part occurs in many different applications in the mechanical engineering industry. And what the designer will typically do is, if you look at the section of the part, which will look like this is the tapered bore. He will say that at a plane, a theoretical plane, which is 4 mm from say this surface, he wants the diameter to be 10.00 millimeters. And typically the way to check this in the industry is to use something called a coordinate measuring machine, which is fairly large, fairly bulky, and again prohibitively expensive machine, which costs about 1 crore on average. Another thing that you can't do with a coordinate measuring machine is that you can't use it in the shop floor, because it has to have a clean environment, temperature controlled, dust controlled, and so on and so forth. And you can't use, and therefore you can't use it for every single part. So what we have done is we have developed a gauge which looks like this. And with this gauge, what we do is we have a part which is measured on a coordinate measuring machine or by some other method, and ascertained to be perfect. And then we have a gauge which we match to the part in such a way that it's completely zero, that the dial indicator shows 0. And then when we are actually making the part, we check the part with this gauge, and therefore we can determine whether the part is okay. But not only that, but we can also determine how much it is out by, if it is out, and then by with some simple trigonometry we can figure out how to change the part and make it okay. So this is the simple low cost solution that we are using to check tapered boards.